Dave Ramsey's baby steps have helped millions of people get out of debt and build wealth. But here's what most people miss. This isn't just a debt payoff plan, it's a complete financial roadmap from broke to wealthy. Today, I'm breaking down all 7 steps, why they work, and the psychology behind each one. Whether you're drowning in debt or already debt free, understanding this system will change how you think about money. Let's get into it. Step 1 is simple: save $1,000 for a starter emergency fund fast. Here's why this matters. Most people go into debt because life happens. The car breaks down, the water heater dies. Without cash on hand, you're reaching for the credit card every time. This $1,000 isn't your final emergency fund, it's a buffer. It's enough to handle small emergencies without derailing your debt payoff. How do you get it fast? Sell stuff. Pick up extra shifts. Cut everything non-essential for 30 days. This step should feel urgent because it is. You're building the foundation for everything else. Once you have $1,000 saved, you move immediately to step 2. Step 2 is where the magic happens. Pay off all debt except your mortgage using the debt snowball method. Here's how it works. List every debt from smallest balance to largest. Ignore the interest rates. Pay minimum payments on everything except the smallest debt. Throw every extra dollar at that one until it's gone. Then take that payment and roll it into the next smallest debt. The snowball grows as you eliminate each one. Why smallest to largest instead of highest interest? Psychology. Paying off a $500 credit card feels like a win. That momentum keeps you going when you're staring down a $15,000 car loan. Spreadsheets say attack high interest first. Human behavior says you need quick wins to stay motivated. Dave Ramsey chose human behavior, and it works. This step takes most people 18 to 24 months of intense focus. It's hard, it requires sacrifice, but when that last debt is gone, everything changes. Step 3. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. Now that you're debt-free except the house, you're vulnerable. A job loss or medical emergency could destroy everything you just built. This fund is your insurance policy. 3 months minimum if your income is stable, 6 months if you're self-employed or single income household. This money sits in a high yield savings account earning 4 to 5% interest. It's boring. It's not invested. That's the point. When emergency strikes, you need cash, not stocks you have to sell at a loss. Most people never reach this step because they skip steps 1 and 2. Don't skip steps. Step 4. Invest 15% of your gross income into retirement accounts. Why 15%? It's enough to build serious wealth without sacrificing other goals. You're balancing retirement with college savings and paying off the house. Where does it go? Max out your Roth IRA first. Tax-free growth forever. Then hit your 401k up to the company match. Then back to the 401k or a taxable brokerage to reach 15%. Here's what most people get wrong. They invest before eliminating debt or building an emergency fund. Then life happens. They cash out the 401k early, pay penalties and taxes, and they're back to zero. The baby steps are sequential for a reason. By step 4, you have no payments except your mortgage, a full emergency fund, and now you're building wealth that compounds for decades. This is where financial independence starts to feel real. Step 5, save for your kids' college in a 529 plan or ESA. Notice this comes after your retirement. You can't borrow for retirement, but your kids can borrow for college. Secure your future first. How much? Enough to cover a significant portion, not necessarily 100%. The goal is to give your kids a head start without sacrificing your own financial freedom. If you don't have kids or they're already grown, you skip this step and move to step 6. Step 6, pay off your home early. This is the step most financial advisors hate. Why pay off a 3% mortgage when you can invest and earn 10%, they ask. Dave's answer, because being completely debt-free is worth more than the math suggests. No house payment means ultimate financial flexibility. You can retire earlier, take career risks, weather any economic storm, throw every extra dollar at the mortgage. The average person on this step pays off their house in 7 to 10 years. When that mortgage is gone, you own your home outright. No bank, no payment, just freedom. Step 7, build wealth and give generously. You're debt-free. Your house is paid off. Your retirement is funded. Now you have the income that used to go to payments and it's all yours. Max out retirement accounts. Invest in real estate. Build businesses. The wealth building options are limitless when you have no debt and a fully paid for home. And here's the most important part. Give generously. Wealth isn't just about building, it's about impact. Support causes you believe in. Help family, fund scholarships, leave a legacy. This is the step most people never reach because they skip the foundation. But if you follow the system, this is where you end up, financially free and able to live and give like no one else. Dave Ramsey's baby steps aren't complicated. They're sequential, behavioral, and proven. Millions have used this exact roadmap to go from broke to wealthy. Which step are you on? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more financial frameworks that actually work, hit subscribe. Let's build wealth together.